Hello, Mr. Metters class. Today I'm going to show you how to use OBS to create videos. Right now, I'm a senior over at Beaufort High School, and I can tell you that you will need to know how to make videos for school projects. So as a previous student of Mr. Metters, I'm going to show you how to do so. To start off with, you need to create a file folder. Be sure to name it to correspond with your video that you're creating. So here I named mine Minecraft videos because I'm going to show you how to make a Minecraft video. So now you need to open up OBS to link the pathway of saving to that file folder. So you need to go to File, go down to Settings, down to Output, Recording, because that's what we're making, not streaming. Go down to Recording Path. Here you get to choose the file, so I'm going to click Browse, go down to Minecraft Videos, select it. Down at the bottom, now click Apply and OK. And now whatever I record using my screen will go to that file folder. So now you're going to want to open up whatever game or what you want to capture, and you want to go over to Sources. Click the little plus sign because you're adding a source, and here's where all the options come. You can add an image, a slideshow, or a media source, but what we're interested in is game capture. So we click on game capture, and it says you can name it, you can change it to what you want to do. You click OK. Now it's going to have this pop-up box come up, and this is where it gets very important. You can have it capture any full screen, but as you can see, I don't have mine full screen. I have a window, so I'm going to unclick that, and it's going to let me select what window I want. So right now I have OBS open, I have Minecraft open. So I'm going to click on Minecraft, and from there you'll see it pop up, and you click OK. And you can stretch it to fit your screen, or you can have an overlay in the back with the image option. So if I were to add an image, I could put it behind it, and from here you now have this, and whatever you do on this will appear there. So I'm just going to stretch it full screen for this video. From a simplistic standpoint, that's truly all you have to do to be able to make a video. From now I could just play and just turn on my mic so that they can hear me, and the audio so that they can hear the game. And that's all I would need to know. Everything else really isn't important to make a simple video. But if I just did that, this wouldn't be much of a tutorial. So now I'm going to show you how to do some different overlays. So between clips down here I've added 3 images, 2 of SpongeBob and a gradient wallpaper I found on Google. And I'm going to make this gradient wallpaper one a border around my video. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to shrink down the previous video size and just put it in the middle there. Now I have this black box. I don't like the look of that, so let's make a border. So I'm going to choose image, and I'm going to add this image. Go and browse. Go down to the image itself, select it, and apply it. As you can see, it's over the game video, which would cause issues if you were trying to show a video. So what you simply do to fix this is that you layer it to be behind it. So now, when I'm playing my game, it has this nice gradient border around the edges. Let's say I'm making a video, and for some reason I wanted to say, please subscribe or something like that. I'm going to go down here, and I'm going to go to text. Click OK. Choose whatever font. I'm going to just use Arial, but they have many fonts that you can choose from. I'm going to type in please sub, and it's going to show what it is, and its color, which you can click select color, and make it any color you want. I'm going to make it pink so it stands out. So that's what it's going to look like. And then color 2, because it's gradient, I can make it pink to green. Awesome. It looks the best. So I'm going to click OK, and that little red box is it. I can put it right there so that they know to subscribe to watch more of my stuff. Another little cool feature that you can do when you're making videos is, let's say you don't want to click start recording and stop recording. So you go over to File and you go to Settings and you go down to Hotkeys, and you'll find start recording and stop recording. You also find start streaming and stop streaming. But for videos you want to use recording, just change it to the keys you want to press. I can have like the bracket starting and the in bracket, and click apply and OK. And then when instead of clicking this button, I can have this hidden on my screen, and I can just click buttons. And this will be useful for a different kind of recording process. Okay, hotkeys become important when you don't want to show just what you're playing. Let's say I want to show my whole screen. Well, if I were to show my whole screen right now, which you're seeing, you see OBS, and no one really wants to show their recording software in their video or their stream. And that's where hotkeys become important, because you can hide the tab and still have it running and stopping by using hotkeys. For example, the video I'm making right now, I'm recording Minecraft and OBS, which is recording Minecraft. But behind all that, I actually have one hidden that's recording the whole screen, and now you can see it because I popped it up. So I'm using hotkeys to stop and start my video so that you guys can see my whole screen but not have to see OBS. So to conclude, OBS is a very simple software that you can use to record. The more you play with it, the better you will become at it. But for this simple video, to make videos that you might need in the future, or just to be able to make a video period, this is what you need to know, is just how to add a source to capture a window or a game. So I use game because I'm recording a game, but I would add a window capture and choose the window if I was recording like Internet Explorer or something like that. And know that how to connect your file destination, and from there just adjust your mic in your desktop. Play with that because different mics and different audios have different amounts of sound. So always record a few and listen to yourself and figure out the nice tonal range of it and get it matched up the way you want, and then just make your video. It's quite simple. So have fun and have a good time making videos now.